Hello everyone, Bastion here, and this is a cassette recorder, GE brand. Now, this is a bit different from my usual, game console stuff, but I've been meaning to fix this for a while because I have a whole bunch of cassettes that I can't really listen to anymore because my car doesn't have a cassette player. My old cassette player broke, and this one worked for like one day, then it didn't work at all. So yeah, I have some cassettes I really want to listen to. That's the reason why I'm doing this. So yeah, this is just a cassette recorder, but obviously has a speaker and everything. Also has a headphone jack. You can play the cassettes that you have. So that's what I'm going to be primarily using it for. So, I forget how to open this one actually. So what happens, obviously, I have batteries in it right now. Hit play. It makes noises, if you can hear it. But other than that, oops, wrong one. Does not play. Which, come on, why are you stuck? It's really not a good cassette player anyway. It's my off-brand awesome mix. But if you look inside of here, well, it did used to run, but I used to have the these used to be running, but it's making noises. So what that most likely means is that the belts have either slipped off or they need replaced. So what we're going to be doing is taking it apart and, replacing it. I got all these off-brand belts from like China. That should work since this isn't like a main brand one I don't really care about as much of. But first things first, obviously take the batteries out. Out. There we go. Batteries are out, and so far it looks like that there's no screw holes in the battery compartment, but it looks like the only thing holding this thing together is these 4 Phillips head screws. Let's see, anything in here? I guess there's some holding that in there, but it doesn't matter. So we're just going to try to take it apart and see if we can figure it out. I've never actually worked on a cassette player at all, so this ought to be interesting. These screws are pretty big. That's good. But it's just a standard Phillips head screw. All right. So I'm assuming this should just pop up somehow. That side comes up, so the side's stuck. All right. Yeah. Okay. So always be careful when opening things up like this. Like, for one, this speaker wire was right there, and I could have messed that up if I wasn't careful. But here are the innards. Of course, having this hanging here is going to be kind of difficult. But this battery, oh yeah, look at that. That is so very loose. So that's probably the main problem there. All right, so let's just take a quick look. Put these batteries back in and see. We have the inner workings here. Yeah, so the belt's not catching at all. So that's the main problem here. You can even see it. It's like not catching at all. All right. So first things first, I need to get tweezers out, because I always forget to grab them before I start doing these things. All right, we're going to just get this belt out of here. Yeah, look at that. That thing is just... Oh, yeah, that's so weak. All right, so we're going to put that aside. We're going to open this up and see if we can find one that's hopefully that size. And that one's roughly it. So now the hard part is trying to get this wrapped around. Make sure this thing's like... this may or may not work. These are cheap belts, so there's always a chance that things will not work. All right. So now we have to try to get this on there without it falling off, which is always easier said than done when you want to replace things. But from my understanding with cassette players, is that the thing that mostly goes wrong with them are the belts. They're the first things that usually go when it comes to them. And yeah, it's usually it. Come on. See, this is why it would be so much easier if I could take it apart, but I really don't want to desolder everything. There we go. There we go. It's nice and tight now. Make sure it's still working. Yeah, okay. Boom. All right. Let's go ahead, plug these back in, see if this starts spinning. Hey, yeah, look at that. It's actually spinning now. All right, so we're just going to set you down for right now. We're going to... Oh, okay, I fell out. Take you. Plug it in, see if we have sound. See, volume is all the way up. I put it in backwards. All right. Ooh. Well, it works. Feeling. It works. But it's going way too fast. That's probably due to the belt being so tight. After careful looking around, like everywhere on this board, I cannot find any potentiometers, so I'm assuming this one doesn't have it. Or doesn't have one, I should say. So yeah, it's technically fixed. I just don't have a... I just don't know how exactly I'm going to be able to adjust the playback speed due to, well, the fact that this thing doesn't have a freaking potentiometer. Yeah, that's essentially it. Just a quick little repair of a belt. I'll probably mess with it more often and try to like fully repair it, but yeah. I can't really take it apart anymore either. I'd also checked that while I was like looking around. But essentially it works. Just not in the way I'd like it to work. Which is correctly. I hope you guys found this at least kind of entertaining. But I will hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If not, that's alright. I still enjoy making these type of videos, but I will see everyone in the next video of what I do. In the meantime, you can listen to Chipmunk's version of Hooked on a Feeling. Or just remix it. So, in all honesty, I decided to do some more looking at it, and you know, VSP, Variable Speed Playback. And guess where that knob is? Right there. And guess what? I had it all the way up because I thought that was the volume, when the volume is right there. So, guess what? Again. Wait for it. I'm an idiot. Sorry, I hit the wrong button with I'm gonna hit the stop button on here and not on the camera. But other than that, actually the headphones sound really good. So this, I can listen to my cassettes again. Woo! Add this on at the end of the video. Eat me. But yeah, I'm an idiot with the variable play speed. But yeah, with the headphones, they sound really well. With speakers aren't the best, obviously. But hey, it works. So, we fixed it. For real this time. Woo! Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.